Hello everyone, welcome back to another lesson. And in this one, we're going to take a look on log source groups. So what they are and what we can do with them. So let's go ahead and on the admin tab, we can go to log source groups. And we see we currently don't have any. So let's go ahead and create a new one. Let's also create and those endpoints, right? So now I've created those groups, and I can also create groups on groups like a parent-child relationship. So I can go to other, and we can see that we have a few entries here, but I can create group 1, which will be, oh, the other group cannot have a subgroup, okay. But if I do it like this, then my log sources is going to be the parent folder of group 1. So why is this useful? Basically, first of all, is to give a category to your log sources. So if I open them up, I can choose to add pfSense, and my Windows machine, I can add them to the same log source group from the bulk edit menu like we've seen before. I'm gonna choose my log sources, gonna click on save, and now both of them, we add the group column, belong to my log sources group. And then I can add pfSense to its own firewalls group. And I can also add my Windows machine to its own Windows endpoints group. Now, other than organization, it also makes possible the usage of log source groups in your detections, right? So, for example, if you have, if you want to create a detection that applies to all of your firewalls, but they have a different type of log source type. So, for example, one of my firewalls is a pfSense. The other one can be a ForcePoint, can be a Palo Alto one, could be a Checkpoint. All of them have a different log source type, but all of them belong to my firewalls group, right? So I could go ahead to use case manager, and I can create a new detection, and I can say log source groups, right? And now basically I'm telling my detection to match any log source that is found inside this group, which can be great to apply your detections on a large amount of log sources in one simple line. And in the last section of the course, when we get to the practical examples, we're going to see how we can actually utilize that in some interesting use cases. But in the current section, this is all of the information we need in order to understand log source groups and confidently progress forward. So hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you in the next one.